Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to shorten links via an online tool called Bitly. Now Bitly is a URL shortener and it's my new favorite URL shortening tool right after Google's URL shortening tool, which got discontinued in 2019. So now Bitly is obviously my new favorite tool. So let's get started with the video. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to www.bitly.com and hit enter. This will take you to the home page. The next thing you'll need to do is get started for free here. Click this blue button. And now this will take you to Bitly sign up page, and as you can see you get a quote here for basic. You don't want any of that, you want the free plan. So the free plan is good enough. It gives you links down here. So up to 1,000 links a month, which is good enough for the average user. So you want to scroll to the middle here and click sign up for free. Once you're here, you'll be given two options, either to sign up by email or to sign up via your Google account. Now I am signed in via Google and I do recommend to take this option. However, for the sake of the video, I'll sign up the old-fashioned way by entering an email address and a password real quick. So my username is going to be websplaining. I'm probably going to blur the last two parts just for the sake of privacy. And then what you want to do is click sign up with email and click the following link. You'll then get a captcha. So this one I have to identify the cars just to prove that I'm not a robot. Remember, to fully activate your account you'll need to click the sign up link in your email address. Okay, and now Bitly will ask you how you'll use the links, and currently I'm going to use it for personal use. And you'll want to enter your name, so I'm just going to go web splaining. You can enter your real name, and I'm going to click social media marketing and save. And now you'll get taken to the Bitly homepage of your profile. Now to create a link you have a button here to create your first link, but usually you'll be able to create a link here. So I'll just go through the usual way of making it. Click this link here. So you'll need to paste in your long URL. So I'm going to go and copy my subscriber link, as it's very big usually, and I'll be using that on my newest videos. So you want to Control V or Command V, whatever. And you can give it a name, so I'm going to call it a subscribe link for web splaining, and for the tag I'm just going to give it the YouTube tag, and then save. And then you want to click the X here, and your first link now is here. And as you can see, compared to this link, the YouTube subscribe link, this link is ridiculously smaller. So I really like this, and this is why I love this tool. So let's copy this link and test it in another tab real quick. So I'm just going to paste it in here and press enter. And there we go, it redirects us to our subscribe link URL and prompts us to subscribe to the channel. Okay, now I'm just going to go back to the other tab, and just to show you how the number of clicks will increase after every time your URL is clicked by either yourself or anybody else, such as your viewer. So I'm just going to quickly refresh the link and show you that the total clicks have gone up +1. Okay guys, that concludes my short video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you liked the video, please subscribe and give me a like. I'd really appreciate it. See you on the next one.